Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to change name in Gmail account or Google account. For these settings, you have to open Google on your device. After opening Google on your device, you have to select a Gmail on your device. Here you can see my Gmail name is Mehdi Hassan Alif. I click to manage your Google account. You have to click manage your Google account, then scroll it, and here you can see uh, personal info. Click to personal info, then you can see here name option. Click to name option and change your name from here. Here you can see an option to change your name. Click to the pen icon, then I click to save. After clicking save, the name has been saved. Change. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.